Hi guys, welcome to another video. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Now this is just a quick little video on some designs that I've seen for the past couple of months or for the Halloween season that I love and I really want to try out, but I don't really want to do a full set. So we're starting off with this pumpkin nails. I first saw it being done with the acrylics or with builder gel, but I tried those and they were a bit runny, especially with the builder gel, so I figured why not use my clays that I have, and I am in love with how it turned out. So I'm making, and I'm loving the orange and the purple, like it's doing something for me for some reason. And I'm making little pumpkins. I have so many ideas when it comes to these designs and these little pumpkins. I may just do a set, who knows? But I am just in love. So I'm going in making little balls, as you can see here. My nail was a bit too short to do 3 of the balls in the middle, so I figured let's just go with 2 little balls, and then I use my black painting gel to make the carvings for the pumpkins. So I'm doing just some abstract designs. I'm just doing a little eye, a little checkered, is it checkered, or a little wire mouth, if you want to call it like that, and for the first pumpkin. And then I'm going in, I really wanted to make that, the smile that you see normally majority of the pumpkins have that, but I it was too small. The balls were too small for me to do that, so I was like nope. So I just figured something out and I went with like a Dracula type of thing, our smile, and I love it. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy my first design as much as I enjoyed doing it. And we will be moving on, of course, to the second design. This is how it looks on the nail. I think a full set would look absolutely bomb, especially if you're going to like a costume party or something like that. Absolutely delicious. So we're going in with the second design. I really love this design, but I didn't really want to do a full set because I have 2 other full sets that I want to do. So I figured let's just try out the design and I could show you guys the design in case you're interested or wondering how to do this design. So I'm going in, as you can see, with my white base, and to make my pigments pop a bit, I'm using my eyeshadow palette I mentioned in all my other videos that I got from Amazon, and the same black liner gel. So we're doing half and half. We're doing like a half French, half spiderweb type of nail design. And I'm just filling in my little half French here on my tip with my long liner brush, as you can see here. And this rainbow is really doing it for me also. I love that. Now, I matted the colors because I had a bit of a hiccup where I didn't mat the nail itself and I wiped the nail and I wipe off the colors. So if you're gonna do this, guys, remember to mat the nail first before you paint over your pigments so they don't smudge. And then I'm going in with some, I tried to make it uniform, but I'm just going in with some random lines and trying to make it look like a spider web at this point. Just have fun with it, and then we would be through. And then I'm going in, of course, with my top coat to seal everything in, and this is what it looks like. Now we're going into the, for me, my best nail would be this nail I'm doing here, or it's gonna be the first nail with the pumpkins, to be honest with you. I'm kind of tied with which one is the best. So you guys break the vote for me in the comment section. Which one do you like best? Would it be number 1, 2, or 3 nail design? Let me know. So I'm not too sure if you guys have seen all these Pix 3D ghosts going around, and I've seen them myself on Instagram, on Pinterest, all over, and I saw a creator create one of them, which was so interesting, and I really had to try because I saw them and I was a bit intimidated because I was like, how would I do this? But I saw someone create it and I was like, oh my god, she's a genius, let me try it. So here is our first try, guys. I did the outline for the ghost, already did my base, and I'm going in with the clear molding gel. It's also the one from Born Pretty that I have for quite some time now. You could use it to even adhere your tips if you want to do like gel-X. And I'm going in with that. I'm just patting it in with some alcohol to smooth it down, and I'm ensuring that the sides maintain the shape of the ghost. Then I layer that with some milky white gel polish, cure that, then I go back over, outline the 3D gel itself, molding gel itself with the same white that I did to outline the ghost, to give it a bit more of a dimension, a more of a 3D effect, and just going over it to maintain the shape itself with the same long liner. After that's cured, I go back over one more time with the milky white top coat. I believe this is from Rajazim. All the products will be listed in the description, guys, if you're interested in recreating these sets or even doing your own nail designs inspired by these sets. Then I'm going in with my white painting gel. Well, not painting gel, this is white gel from Rajazim, because my white painting gel has finished. I need to replenish that. To make the eyes, I was trying to make them a bit uniform, but I figured it's a ghost, come on, he doesn't have to be uniformed, he's dead. So I just went in and had fun with it, and this is what we came up with. My little dots, I did the little starry eyes, and I must say I've been trying these starry eyes for quite some years now, and this is the first time they actually came out so perfect on my first go. So practice does make perfect, guys. And of course, we can't have the little ghost without any arms, so I'm giving him some cute little arms. Again, it doesn't have to be uniform, but I tried to make it as uniform as I could. I really had so much fun doing these nail designs. This is also another design that I figured, wow, I should probably do a set. A set would look so cool. So yeah, I'm just giving him some little legs, if you want to call them that, and we are almost done, tidying up a bit to get his arms to look, you know, as good as they can, giving him a little sparkle in the eyes, and then we would cure that for the 60 seconds, and this is what we're working with. This is what it looks like all done. He is so cute, oh my god. Imagine if I could make more of him but smaller, like, oh my god, on a full set. Awesome. Now this is what all the 3 designs that I created look like. I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next full length video. Bye.